How can companies like Bisleri scale water stewardship practices such as recharge, reuse, and watershed restoration to strengthen Indians' water circularity while ensuring community participation and long term impact?
Thank you. You had explained about water availability and the population part. Yeah, water is one of the most valuable resources, which we all know that, and it is required to sustain life, livelihood, and economic development. Because the development of a country or a state depends upon the water availability also. Because water is very much important. Like, why do the water demand increase? Multiple reasons, and if I narrow down, there are three important aspects. One is the increasing population. Second is urbanization, rapid growth in urbanization. Third one is the industry activities or expansion of the industries which is happening about. Okay. When we talk about water, 85% of the water is going for agriculture purpose. Okay. And around 10% for domestic and 5% for industries. As a industries and as a water-based industries, because I come from a company which is the leading manufacturer of packaged drinking water in the country. I am from Bisleri. Okay. We are a 60 years company, and we have been taken a decision from day one that whatever we use or we consume, we need to give back to the Mother Earth. Okay. So even well before the systems or policy and framework came, we were doing this for the past, from the day one, from the day of our inception of our company. Like, and see, we have two methods on which we work. One is the inside the boundary, the water efficiency, usage and saving aspects. Other one is outside the boundary. Inside the plant, if I talk about, because water is passed to a filtration processes, reverse osmosis. Okay. And we have seen that where all we can reduce the water consumption and how we can reuse. I'll just give a small example. When we take the water from a bore well, because we use bore wells for our manufacturing bits, raw materials from raw water, we take it from the bore well. And the bore well water is collected in a storage tank. We take it to a carbon filter and sand filter and to the reverse osmosis process. So when we use this water from the bore wells, it has some dust and some small contaminated particles, suspended solids. We pass it through the carbon filter and sand filter, and every day you need to regenerate it. Okay. So we found that 10 meter cube to 15 meter cube per day was regenerated and the water was drained. So we took a step that why should we waste this water? Can I refilter it and then again take it back to my raw water tank? So which is helped to save us around 5 lakh meter cubes of water. This is for, because I'm talking about 150 plants across the country. 10 meter cube per day into 150 into 320 days. So it's 5 lakh meter cube per day. Because of one small action, we're able to see a bigger result over there.